These are gorgeous 10 feet long gold gauze table runners. They come in a bunch of colors and set sizes, including a 12 pack, which is incredibly convenient for larger parties such as a wedding or baby shower. I was sent these to review, so let me show you a closer look at 4 different colors and how stunning they are. This is a 2-pack of pink gold gauze. This is a 4-pack of black gold. So I'm just gonna put one of each on the table. So we're gonna compare the colors, the length, all that stuff. This is a 12-pack of beige gold gauze. And this is a 4-pack of green gold gauze. I love all these colors. Each table runner does come individually wrapped, which is nice because then you can like repackage it and keep it safe and clean between uses. The pink gold, black gold, beige gold, green gold. Wow, so pretty. And that's them folded up. So once you unfold them, you'll see how thin they are. They are a true single layer gauze. And they're really wide. If we go end to end, 117 inches, almost 10 feet long, about 2.5 feet wide. On the top is gold, and on the back is silver. That's really cool. Gorgeous. I love that gold shimmer. Wow. So this is folded a little more pink, and you could even fold it in 4ths. So that's like 4 layers, even more pink. And then you could also just make it kind of messy. And maybe that's my favorite. And then you throw your centerpiece on top, or some battery tea light candles, whatever. And it just elevates your tablescape or your dessert bar or whatever. Really fun. I'm gonna lay all 4 colors out so we can see them side by side. And they are all have that gold on the top and silver on the underneath. Especially when you have it wadded like that, you might get a hint of both the silver and the gold. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Honestly, you could use these as part of a costume, as a scarf, a shawl. You could use them in way more ways than just a table runner. You can use them as bows for the back of chairs, but they are so pretty. You could also mix and match, and you could like twist or braid them together. If you're doing a single layer, this is the single layer on a white table of the green. But that's it wadded up. It's just so gorgeous. This was the pink, which I already showed you. This is the black gold. It gives the table a grayish hint under there. And then this is the beige gold. Oh, they're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love these. The edges are really nice and clean, no fraying or anything. The fabric is just so easy. It doesn't wrinkle, no need to iron. Whether you have a wedding or bridal shower or quinceañera, sweet 16, graduation, you name it. These will really bring life and gorgeous color to your party, your event, you name it. I love these, and I know you will too.